Welcome back to our HTML beginner series. In the last video, we learned about HTML attributes. Today, we will dive into some of the most commonly used text formatting elements in HTML, which is headings, paragraph, horizontal ruler rules, and line breaks. Let's go. HTML provides different elements to structure text. Heading 1 to heading 2, heading 6. We have talked about this heading in our previous video. Define the importance of text. Yes, they used it to define the importance like subheading of a website. Heading 1 is the largest, usually for the main title. Heading 6 is the smallest, often used for subnotes. While paragraphs P used for book block of text separated with space above and below. Horizontal rule, which is HR. Horizontal rules create a horizontal line, often used to separate content section. I'm going to show you guys example what I'm saying. Line break, which is BR, move text to a new line without starting a new paragraph. I hope you understand. All these things I'm saying, I've said it in my previous video. So it's not new for you guys. I'm just trying to make you guys to understand what you guys are learning so you don't just jump and jump. Heading are great for titles and structure. They are very great. Yes, they are very great for titles and structure. So it's very make it easy for people to understand what the information, the content you are passing. Help you understand that paragraph are used for content and text blocks. Don't forget, with the paragraph tags, we used it to pass some content. That is what user will be reading, what they will be seeing your website, and the horizontal rules usually separate section of your page. That is, you will know how will I put it? You will know when the you will know when this is a new section, this is another section. And line breaks are useful when you need text to jump to a new line without starting a new paragraph. I hope you understand. Like if you are writing something and you want to stop from where you reach, and you want to start a new line, you can just add a line breaks. So now what I'm going to do now is I will go to my Virtual Studio Code and I will show you. Here's my Virtual Studio Code. Here's the heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, heading 4, heading 5, heading 6. You will see the difference. For you guys that follow this video from the beginning, you will understand what I'm trying to say here. Here is the horizontal rules. That is, with the HR tags, you can easily separate a section that this is new section, this is another section. So here is the paragraph tag. This is the first paragraph. It contains a full sentence explaining something important. You'd see I comment it out for you guys to understand that okay, this is a paragraph. Then this is the second paragraph. It is separated from the first using paragraph tags, and this is another horizontal rules. Another yes. And we have something we called line breaks with the explanation I gave you guys earlier. This is a paragraph with a line break. Have you seen? There's a full stop. This sentence appear on a new line for sure. This is a new line break, and this one is also on a new line. So if I save this and I go to my browser. Here is my browser here. You can see I have it here. Here is my H1 tag, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. Here are the headings tags from 1 to 6. Have you seen? These are our horizontal rules. Have you seen it? This is a paragraph that you see in the Visual Studio Code sentence, and this is the second paragraph. Now, here is the line breaks. Like what I said earlier, that okay, you're writing something, you want to take a break instead of you writing a blah blah blah. Like now, this is a paragraph with the line breaks. This is a sentence appear in a new line, and this is one is also on a new line. With the help of line breaks here, that is, this is the BR applied here. If I remove all this, let me remove it, you see everything will be on a new line. Let me come back here. So they have seen everything is now in one line instead of this is a paragraph with a break, this is another one, this is another one. I hope you guys understand what I'm passing there. So let me bring it back to what's supposed to be. So that's it for HTML, heading, paragraph, horizontal rows, and line breaks. So you guys, that's that for horizontal line and line breaks with the heading and paragraph. Now you know how to create headings, paragraph, horizontal rows, and line breaks in HTML. These are the building blocks of readable web pages. Don't forget, they are the building blocks of readable web page. In the next video, we will explore HTML styles in details where we actually start connecting pages with adding visual. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and comment to keep learning with us. If you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section. Thanks for watching.